Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we are gonna be learning how to download Valora application on your iOS device. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now, launch open your App Store. In the search box appearing at the top, type in VALORA, Valora, and search. In the search result, you should go ahead and look for this application with this specific logo over here. Valora app is a mobile digital wallet built on Celo blockchain designed to make financial transactions accessible and easy, especially in areas where traditional banking may be limited. Tap the Get button to start downloading the Valora app on your mobile device, and once you have the app installed, you can use it widely for payments, remittances, and even earning rewards through various blockchain-based programs. So that's how you easily download Valora app on iOS. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.